We are finally moving on to the next lesson. This is 8.2, and it is perimeter of composite figures. As you know, the word perimeter is the outside side lengths, or the distance around the outside of a figure. And composite figures, maybe this term is new for you, they are shapes that are made up of other shapes. So for example, a composite figure might be composed of a triangle and a square, or a triangle, square, and a rectangle. So shapes that are made up of triangles, rectangles, squares, and even semicircles, but not in this lesson. And then I'll put etc. So we are going to find the perimeter of these figures. So try to draw this with me. It doesn't have to be perfect. Oops, I'm turning my screen. I didn't mean to do that. Here we go. Example A. Try to draw a rectangle like this. Like it's almost like an upside down L shape. And then like this. Just like the classroom, this is not to scale. I'm not the best drawer in the world. It's okay. Let's make this 40 feet and 28 feet, obviously not to scale, 12 feet, and then over here on the left we also have 12 feet. So initially you might think, oh, all you have to do is add together the numbers you see. Well, that's a good start, but you might not have noticed that there's a mystery length here and a mystery length here. And so they'll try to trick you by not giving you those side lengths. We know that, I'll use red, here we go, from here to here is 12, here to here is 40, here to here is 28, and here to here is also 12. So if you know some of the side lengths, you can figure out some of the missing side lengths. So for example, I'll use blue. In order to figure out this length here, you would need to look at the 40 that's on top and the 12 that's below. And if you do 40 minus 12, you can get this missing side length here. It would be 28. So I'll put a box around this. Then to find the other missing side length, how about I do it in purple? To find the other missing side length right here, you have to look at the 28 that's across from it and the 12 that's over here. And you would take away that 12 to find this missing piece. So we've got 28 minus 12 for this, which would be 18. No, 16. I can subtract. Here we go. 16. All these colors are throwing me off. So let me try erasing the extra information here. See if that helps us. So our side lengths on top, 40, 28, 12, 16. I'm erasing this. Oh no. Just so you guys know the frustrations that you have at home, your teachers are also experiencing. Okay, we're going to ignore that. Just leave that big old purple X there. Okay. What am I doing? I am finding the perimeter. So I'm going to add together all these numbers here. I've got 40 and 28 and 12 and 16 and 28 and 12. I will write them off to the side for you. In a thick enough marker for you to see. And you guys are more than welcome to use a calculator. Remember, for the rest of the school year, you can use 1. I highly suggest it, especially at this point. And we should get 136 feet when we add all of these numbers together. That would be your total perimeter. So I guess the one thing that I really don't want you to forget, so write this down, don't forget to add missing. And again, they won't always put an X there. They'll just leave it blank. Missing side lengths. Okay, I'll do one more with you. Obviously, I'm going to have to clear this page because I can't figure out how to erase. So I just have to delete everything. Oh, here we go. Okay, this would be example B. And this time, let's draw a rectangle. And a triangle. And in the textbook where I'm getting this from, please erase. Okay, we're not going to erase, are we? Nope. In your textbook, there were little dotted lines here instead of a solid line. It doesn't really matter, but I didn't want you to get confused. So here are the lengths that we're given. This is 4 meters. This is 7 meters. 3 meters. And 5 meters. So the 7 meters represents from here to here, and the 3 meters represents here to here. Now again, be careful because there's absolutely nothing over here, which means it's a missing side length. So if you had 7 down here, this would also be 7 meters up at the top. So the numbers that we need to add are 4, 7, 3, 5, and 7. 4 plus 7 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7. And when you add all of those together, you should get 20, not 8, 26. Meters. Oh, okay, there we go, done. So, this lesson today, a textbook assignment that I assigned you, you'll just have shapes with straight edges like this. And then tomorrow, if you choose to do it tomorrow, there will also be semicircles, and that video will cover those. So just add together all your side lengths on the outside, not the inside, and make sure that you don't forget any missing ones like this.